Receiving a gift from family to help with your down payment is a fantastic way to get into a home sooner, but you must follow strict lender rules. You cannot simply deposit a large stack of cash into your account because every dollar used for a mortgage must be clearly sourced and documented. The lender will require a formal gift letter signed by the donor stating that the money is a gift and not a loan that needs to be repaid. In many cases, we will also need to see proof of the transfer and a bank statement from the person giving you the money to verify its origin. If you receive the money too close to your closing date without proper documentation, it could cause a massive delay or even a loan denial. It is always best to have the gift funds wired directly to the title company or deposited at least 2 months before you apply for the mortgage. Different loan programs, like FA and conventional, have slightly different requirements for who is allowed to provide these gift funds to you. Visit changemyrates.com today so we can provide you with the correct templates and ensure your gift is handled perfectly for a smooth closing.